How to change tempo in AudioMass. First of all, open AudioMass in your browser and import your audio file. You can do this by clicking on File and then selecting Load from Computer, or by simply dragging your audio file into the browser window. Once your audio is loaded and displayed as a waveform, you don't need to select anything if you want to change the tempo for the whole file. However, if you want to apply the tempo change to only a part of the audio, select that specific section before proceeding. Next, go to the top menu and click on View. Then, select Tempo Tools from the list. This opens the Tempo and Rhythm Tools window on your screen. Now, play your audio and begin tapping the spacebar on your keyboard or clicking your mouse in rhythm with the beat. Each tap is recorded to calculate the tempo based on your timing. You'll see the average, nearest, and timing taps displayed in real time, giving you a clear estimate of the beats per minute. Use the average value if you want a smooth, consistent tempo. The nearest value is rounded for easier use in editing, and timing taps show the spacing between your individual taps, which helps in identifying any tempo inconsistencies. And that's it. Now you know how to change tempo in AudioMass. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.